Welcome, people. So there's an artist that people should look out for, which is a Ghanaian artist. He has been on Winfred Williams a few times, I think 2 times already. I've been tracking his progress. His name is Stonebwoy, and he's been doing very well for himself, people. As a dancehall reggae artist, he just won the VGMAs. That's Vodafone Ghana Music Award, and this is his 4th consecutive one. You know what I mean? In 2015, he won Best International Artist. That's for the BET Awards. You know what I mean? And people, I've been listening to his music, and I'm telling people that this is a dancehall reggae artist that people should look out for, because he has good song and he's an international artist. I saw a few of his shows where he was performing in London, in Canada, and he's doing very good. You know what I mean? And I can tell Jamaica this, that if Jamaica artists are not performing as well as any other dancehall or reggae artists out there, they're gonna lose their place, because this Ghanaian artist, Stonebwoy, I think he has potential to win a Grammy, a dancehall Grammy. You know what I mean? Because his music, I love it, and I like his style, and he's humble. You know what I mean? He always show respect to other dancehall artists, such as people like Vybz Kartel or Bounty Killer or Beenie Man, Sizzler. I've watched his interview and I've been tracking his progress, and I'm telling people that this is a very talented guy. You know what I mean? And to all of the Ghanaian them, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. A man in a open door. Peace. I'm out.
I feel look pan. And him do great works too, because even though him the jail, him still be the champion DJ boy, and some boy will say them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.